2 years ago, I was spending 3 days a week at the dermatologist's office getting injections for my scalp for the intense itching. Despite the creams, the lotions, the potions, the oils, my hair was falling out from the root. I became so desperate that my son Googled about hair extensions and that's how we found Tomy B. So I came to see Tomy and he said, you don't need hair extensions, I can fix your hair. And he went on to explain his lipid process. So that began my journey with Tomy. It's a 2-year, once-a-month commitment. I live in Florida half the year and he sends me the product, and now here we are 2 years later. I have no plaque, I have shiny hair. His process, his hair product, he ships it to me. I would never ever use anything else. I will be with Tomy B for the rest of my life.